watch me, you can be your fantasy. Baby girl, let me be your ecstasy. Let me come on your house. Sweat dripping when we counting every ounce. Yeah, make you run to the morning. Yeah, make you run to the morning.
From the streets to the clubs, we all never seen like the T to the top. The style that looks like a Louis on the scene. I'm different, unique, and you're what you should. I'm on this party, let me take you to a ride. I'ma show you how to do it right. Wild and vibe and get nothing for tonight. The party's starting, don't make the minutes slide. So don't be shy.
Let's give it up for Direct Carlos Morales!
Of course, you remember the name. MIC, yeah, we played the game. ROCK never been claimed.
Yeah!
We just came.
What, boys?
Yeah, we making noise. Boys. Yeah, we making noise. Boys. Yeah, we making noise. Boys. Yeah, we making noise.
Yeah! Turning back the hands of time. Thank you, Direct. How about a big hand for Wild Boys and Direct Carlos Morales? Ano, gusto nyo ba mag-MC si Direct? Ano, gusto nyo ba mag-MC? I wanna see some, yeah, sabihin nyo nga, yeah? O, Direct, ikaw na raw MC dito. Okay. Gwapo ba si Direct? Tingin nyo mga ilang taon na? Tingin nyo mga ilang taon na si Direct?
60.
Gwapo, di ba? Gwapo ba? Guys, you agree? Gusto nyo ba magubad si Carlos? Gusto nyo magubad?
Alam mo na, dito na sa movie.
Yeah, brother.
Wala yung ano eh.
First of all, we would like to thank each and every one of you who took time. Ano, it's really a busy day, tama? It's a weekday.
Yeah, that's true.
Sino dito yung mga na-traffic kanina? Raise some hands, please. Dami na traffic, di ba? You are able to
parking.
Alright, di ba? Totoo, parking.
Yeah.
Pero nandito tayo because we are actually in a monumental... We're gonna be forming a movement. Ano yung title ng movie? Pakiulit nga po.
Wild
Hindi ko
Boys.
narinig. Wild? O sige, konting kwento lang, Direct.
Sige. Kung bakit
Nasa abroad kami ni Direct noon when we saw, together with yan sila Russ, Tito Jojo, we are thinking of coming up with a all-male group. Remember, no? Sa Singapore, nakita natin, pinipilahan. Naalala niyo yung isang all-male group?
Anong pangalan?
Ang pangalan niya, Magic Mike Enriquez. Di ba? Hindi, Magic Mike, di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi ni Direk Carl, boy, ano ba yun? Ba't ang daming pila? Nakita namin. Ang dami talagang mga nakapila, tama?
Tama.
Ano sabi mo noon? Ba't di tayo magtayo ng ganyan? Gumawa tayo ng pelikula, right? That was like, how many years ago?
Forget about it, man.
Yeah, okay, I know.
Forget about it.
Oh, ayun na po.
20
It's
years
coming to How about a big hand for Direk Carlos?
Thank you so much again
Thank
for
you.
coming. Sa ating actors and syempre sa ating mga guests dito, mga press. Thank you so much.
Direk, teka muna, huwag mo naman tapusin. Parang,
Hindi,
teka lang.
papasalamat ako.
Papasalamat to. Yan, tama si Direk. Guys, may mga special guest tayo rito. Alright, I'll start off yung sa kaibigan natin sa media. And of course, a lot of people. For those people na hindi namin ma-mention, please bear with us. Ang dami-dami natin. Pero special shoutout lang kay Mr. Joey Sarmiento. Alright?
Yes, give it up.
Okay, tayo na, give it up. Come on.
Give it up.
Ayan, si
Machete.
Joey.
Machete.
Machete. Joey, J. Machete. And of course, bro, meron tayo, nakita mo ba yung kanina? Parang ang pormahan, parang katulad mo.
Sino ba to?
Ay, ako, idol ko to, Brad. Idol ko to. Pag ito nagsalita, actually, gusto kong malaman kung nandyan siya. I think nandyan pa naman. Isa ako sa subscriber niya. Okay? Kaibigan ng Brother Billy natin. Alam mo na.
Okay.
Attorney Sal Panelo. Attorney Sal,
sir.
please! Attorney!
Thank you, sir.
There.
For coming.
Tayo naman, Attorney. Yan, how about a big hand for Attorney Sal? Ayan. You never know. Ano, no? Do! Ay, wag ka.
Our future.
Our future.
Future.
Ano? Sasabihin ko na?
Basta Mark.
Wag,
Future
wag,
na,
wag.
future.
Okay. Alam namin marami namang special guests, but you know, ang maganda kasi, we'd like to thank din yung mga cast. Alam nyo, you really brought yung story to life. Remember?
Yeah,
10 yan. Nakita nyo? Kanya-kanyang pet, di ba? Iisa-isahin ba natin direct para makilala rin ng mga nasa?
Dapat pa.
Start off. Yung nandito. Umpisa natin yung nandito. Mr. Aljur Abrenica. Yung nandito. Wala.
Wala.
Ay, hindi, yung pangalawa nandito. Ay, teka muna. Yung proxy. Mr. Bin Abranica. Asan? Big Bird, tumayo ka na lang. Pakita ka. Big Bird. Big Bird. Ito pala yung Big Bird namin. Tayo ka, Big Bird. Big Bird, please.
Come on.
Tayo! Nakatayo ka na ba yan? Alright.
Okay,
And next in line, of course, ikaw na, direct. Sino ba gusto mong isunod kagad? Ito, kaibigan ko talaga to. Nagsha-shoutout sa akin to. Umpisa na natin yung si Ali ang pangalan. Ali, by the name of Mr. Rush Flores! Tayo naman, Rush. Pakita ka naman. Ayan, ang gumamo yan, ha? Katawan pa lang, kulang na. Diba? Syempre. Susunod yan, yung SMB. SMB! Salamat. Diba? Susunod natin, syempre. Ayan, napatabi niya, parang galit eh. Okay. Ito yung magaling na DJ. Actually, we saw this potential with this guy. Ako, hats off, sobra. I was the one who talked to this guy. Nakita talaga ni Direk yung potential. Okay? He's playing the role DJ Phantom. Napakagwapo.
Yeah,
watch out for this guy, ha?
I said a while ago,
sabi mo yung gwapo. Siya yun. Okay, by the name of Mr. Christian T.
Yeah.
I want a big hand for Christian. Chris, patas tayo.
Yeah.
Watch out for that guy. Tandaan nyo yan, okay? And then, susunod natin, syempre, ito. Ano ba tawag dito? Exactly! What's up na natin? Mamaya makikita nyo, di ba, kung bakit. In fact, si Derek Carlos is coming up, di ba? Iniisip namin yun. We'll come up with the comedy movie, Jason Statham. Okay, none other than Mr. Jerry!
Exactly!
Yeah! Malapang naman! Actually, gawin natin medyo masaya to because later on, makikita nyo talagang ma-inspire kayo sa movie. Okay, ulo na. Nasabi ko sa'yo, nakaibigan talaga kita, Jerry. Okay, next, siyempre, mawawala pa naman yung ka-lab team. Okay, makikita nyo, ka-lab team to ni Ferdy! Ferdy! Kilala nyo na yan, kung sino?
Star na yan.
Star! Mr. Attack All-Star! Yeah! Kasi bakit wala akong narinig na magagaan si Brother Willie niyan eh. Alright?
Ano kamerado ba?
Teka, may gumagano nung sinabi ko Brother Willie. Ay, parang kilala mo na yun. Napapanood natin sa Wawawi.
Gusto nyo ba na sample?
Gusto nyo ba sample? Gusto nyo ba makita sample kahit nandyan? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mario Bosa! Sample! Moving forward, ito magkaibigan to, brother. Ito magkaibigan, nakita natin. Alam nyo, you will see in the film, may dalawa dito na conflicting na character. But in reality, they are good friends. Alam namin yan. They are really good friends. Alright? I'll start off, syempre, doon sa mas bata.
Syempre.
Diba? Yung mas bata.
Bunso.
Kaibigan ng future natin. Ayun bumibili pa ng popcorn. Alright, let's give it up to Mr. Billy Renascia! Yeah! Kalapak naman, Billy boy! Si Bagsy. Yeah, Bagsy. Actually, yan, brother namin yan, Tao Gama. Okay, brother namin yan, yung lovely. Alright, and then yung mas matanda, syempre.
Puro ako dito.
Lester! Guard, paki-ano nga yung malaki doon, yung medyo
si
Jason
Jason.
Statham. Pakilabas ka yan. And then, of course, ito yung the grand big winner sa PBB housemate. Napakagawapo rin, napakagaling sumayaw. Mr. Jimboy Martin! Yeah! Wapo. Alright.
Okay.
Siyempre, yung pinakabida. Ito yung pinakabida.
Sino yung nasa harap?
Yung nasa harap, maliban sa'yo.
Sino nga? Sino ba to? Sino ba nasa
teka
harap?
muna, ito idol ko to, pare. Ito napag-usapan ko to, mag-shoutout one time. Heartthrob to, Brad. Iba ang dating nito.
Diba?
Ang galing, di ba? Mukha pa lang, pinag-uusapan. Di ba? Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, ano ba to? The late to lang.
The late.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nico Loco! Next, Brother Nico. ni Nico ha. Mamaya.
Malambot ba? Malambot na, coach.
Working na,
Coach
working na.
G, malambot na.
Coach G.
Ay, giling naman gilid.
Coach G, Coach G.
Alright.
Kaya naman kasi Tito Jojo nandito.
O syempre,
Ikaw na magsabi.
to grace the occasion yung
Tito
one of
Jojo,
the
may sasabihin.
finest, diba?
May sasabihin ka, di ba?
One of the finest manager, talent manager in the
the industry.
country yan, syempre. Tito Jojo, maraming salamat.
Tito Jo, maraming salamat. Tito Jo, kaya tayo ka naman, Tito Jo. Makita nila yung the
Jojo
famous
Veloso.
Jojo Veloso. Come on. Ayan, Tito Jo. How about a big hand, guys? Big round of applause. Big round
Thank
of
you,
applause.
Tito Jo, for coming. We appreciate it.
Yan.
Eh, yung ano, yung poste. Gusto mo banggitin yung poste?
Ikaw na magsabi
Yung poste.
ng poste.
Yung poste. Sino ba yung poste?
Mamaya nga eh, sabi
Mamaya,
huli.
poste.
O sige, pasok na natin. Mr. AJ Pal!
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The Giants.
the Giant. Tayo ka naman, Jay!
Okay.
Jay, upo ka na lang, upo ka na lang. O, nakita nyo? Ayan, kasama namin, o, napakalaki. Player of Ginebra. Alright? At syempre naman, ayan, nakita, ito yung pinakaano natin. Meron pa ba tayo nakalimutan, direct?
Martin, Doroylan. Martin.
Sino? Huwag na.
Huwag yan daw siya. Kayo, huwag yan daw.
Actually, ito ang dapat kong co-host. Siya dapat. Kaso nga lang, she begged up kasi nga, medyo, syempre may preparation daw. Sabi ko, wala na preparation. Bobolahin lang naman
Oo,
natin
ano
yung
lang
nandun
naman
eh,
to,
di ba?
parang tuwaan lang yan.
Pero very professional. Actually, pag nakita niyo yung Wild Boys, akala niyo a story about Wild Boys. But there is one person,
Yeah.
okay, that tied the bind. He actually binds,
Yeah,
he
the whole
binds
group,
the knot for all of the Wild Boys. None other than Miss Inday herself. Miss Inday Garutay! Yeah! And now, alam ko naman medyo ano lang, para lang pampatanggal umay, pwede bang pasalamatan